Hello my loves, this is Golden Rosie again for a new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a colorful eyeshadow look using a NYX eyeshadow palette. Okay, before we start the eyeshadow look, you need to know that if you are going to use bright eyeshadows, you need to have like a white base on your eyelids. So I recommend it to you to use a concealer or foundation that's very light and very full coverage to have like a white base on your eyelids. So I'll just apply my foundation concealer, and then I'm going to apply a white eyeshadow on top of the concealer. Right, so let's apply that on my eyelids. Okay, now that we have the base on our eyelids, I'm going to apply this white eyeshadow to my eyelids to intensify the white on my eyelids. So let's go. Alright, now that we have the white base of our eyelids, let's go to the eyeshadow. So first we're going to use this hot pink right here, yeah, this one, and applying for our crease. So let's do this then. And do a little bit on top. Okay, now that we have the pink on our crease, let's do the purple, the dark purple look. Yes. Okay, now let's apply the purple on the eyelid then. Until here. Here, let's just leave this without any eyeshadow because we're going to apply another color there. So, yeah. Alright, now we look crazy, I know, but now let's blend a little bit of the here to do like a transition, and with that blending, we're going to apply like this color. It's not purple and it's not pink, it's like a brick purple. They try to change me, but they realize they can't. And every tomorrow is a day I never planned. If you're gonna be my man, understand. I can't be safe, I can't be safe, I can't be blamed, I can't. Alright, now that we have a little mess right there, yeah, it's messy. I thought it would be more good, but you know, that's what we have. So now let's apply the orange on the corner of the eye that we didn't apply purple. Okay, now we're going to apply this blue right here, and first we're going to apply this blue, and then on top of it we're going to apply this aqua blue right here, so in the bottom of the eye. Apply first the electric blue right there. Let's apply the aqua blue on top of the dark blue. Alright, now we're going to apply the yellow on the corner of the eye. Let's do the other eye really quick off camera. BRB. Okay, now that I have the both eyes with the eyeshadow, let's apply the fake eyelashes. So I'll be using this Miss Adoro number 5, and you can find this on the Miss Adoro website. It's, I think, $2. It's a good deal. Okay, but before we do that, I'll apply my mascara first to have like my natural lashes up with the fake eyelashes, you know? I can do this on camera, sorry. So I had to do it off camera because, I don't know, the camera makes me anxious. Let's go for the foundation, the base, you know. Let's apply then my bronzer. So I'll be using the e.l.f. Blush and Bronzer St.Lucia and bronze my face. Let's bake! Meanwhile this is baking, let's blush. Okay, now let's apply my highlight then. In my lips, I'm just going to use some crayon, you know, a red crayon. Like that, and now let's blend a little bit here. Let's apply chapstick wherever you have, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. So yes, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, love, and don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you want to. And if you want to be notified when I'm uploading a new video, just ring the bell right there. It's free. Please do that. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. The link is below. And yes, thank you so much for watching, love, and I see you on the next video.